Okay.
Yeah.
What is happening?
Kitchen. Just in time. On Friday, so we can put it together in the weekend. So then Monday, electricity can be connected.
Just in time delivery.
Just in time.
From the
North of Sweden.
north of Sweden. Forest in the north. Good morning, Holken.
Hello.
What's the day today?
Today it's Saturday, kitchen montage day.
The big kitchen building day.
Exactly.
Okay, so you have placed out all the parts for our kitchen.
Yeah, each pile is one cabinet. And then we put them together. And we just start on the first one. That goes in there, in the corner.
The first one that goes into
Technique room.
the other room, yeah.
Yeah.
Exciting.
It is.
Do you think it's gonna work out?
Yeah, I think there's some pieces missing.
It's a bit of a puzzle.
It's a puzzle. Yeah, we'll see. So. Nice.
Happy?
Ja, ja, echt wel mooi.
Ska jag såga över? Ja, om du vill eller om du kan hålla lite koll på mig. Men jag vet inte, ska jag köra lite ut på det hållet eller?
Det är jag som kör lite snett. Good morning, Maria.
Good morning.
So here we are, sitting in our new house, eating breakfast. How does that feel?
That feels great.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's the first.
First time ever.
It feels like there's still a little bit to do, but that we can just use this space. Then we can start putting furniture here.
Yeah.
So Ilke, how does it feel? It's your last day as a full-time builder today.
Yeah, tomorrow I start working again.
Working.
Working as a software developer. No longer as like a house builder.
That would be like vacation, right? In
Yeah,
comparison.
exactly. I hope more sane work hours. But,
And less pushy.
less pushy boss.
boss.
Yeah, that would be nice. No, it's been amazing. I mean, to have the opportunity to be able to like work full time on the house you're gonna live in, and then to also make it like in one day left to go. We have time to actually put furniture in the house, and we got we got an intermittent approval from the municipality
To live here.
In the basement downstairs and in this floor, not upstairs because that's still like building site basically.
That's our new building site.
Yeah. The question is what's gonna happen next, right? So like we basically have one whole floor that we cannot live in, so that one needs to be finished.
And we cannot yet move down into the basement. That will take a few more weeks.
Yeah.
But that's gonna be done by carpenters.
And then we'll probably move our bedroom there because that's a nice place it's nice and cool in the summer, and it's a bedroom better than what we have now.
Yeah, it's a bit further away from the rest of the house.
Yeah. At least until we have done the upper floor. Then we will move there. But anyway, so we have to do the upper floor on the inside, and we have to do the paneling on the rest of the house because not the whole house is covered with panels yet.
Yeah.
Then we need to
put in the new windows in the old house.
New windows, exactly. So the outside, that can all be done while we live here, right? So we don't have to move anywhere. And we also have to, basically in the old house, we're gonna redo the bathroom.
The old house that's now over there.
Yeah, so the old house we're gonna actually really change. It's gonna have a new function. So what currently was our living room and dinner room sort of and kitchen, that's going to be partly turned into an actual hallway. So we're going to have a big staircase which you can go up on through to the next floor, and also we're going to break through the wall where the current kitchen is, the old kitchen,
and remove the whole kitchen,
redo the bathroom, put in floor heating, and then I think like when you sort of summarize those things, we are pretty much done, I think, right? I don't think the videos will stop.
Well, that's good news.
Yeah, I think they will continue. But this so far is the most important video after the video that we started. This is the huge milestone video.
Yeah.
We made it, Maria.
Yeah.
We are living in our new house. It's crazy.
Today we're moving in.
It's moving in day today, yeah.